Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Gorgias for customer support that reduces churn. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Gorgias for customer support that reduces churn, start by logging into your Gorgias account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, click on Integrations. From the Integrations page, connect your e-commerce platform, such as Shopify or After connecting your store, go back to the Settings tab. Next, click on the Channels option. Here, add the communication channels where your customers typically reach out, like email, chat, and social media. Now, proceed to the Macros section to create predefined responses for common inquiries. Craft responses that address frequent questions and concerns to ensure quick replies to your customers. Once your macros are set, head to the Automations section. Set up automation rules to prioritize urgent tickets and assign them to the right team members. Next, visit the reporting feature to track the performance of your support team. Analyze metrics like response time and customer satisfaction to identify areas that need improvement. To further enhance customer experience, customize your chat widget to match your brand's look and feel. Install the chat widget on your website to provide real-time support to your customers. Finally, consider integrating Gorgias with your CRM tools to keep all customer data streamlined. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to use Gorgias effectively in your customer support strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.